Hello.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. I won't shout. Hello.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. I won't shout.
Welcome back.
Welcome back to the Motorhome Miles. Bev and Jez.
As if we didn't know.
As if we didn't know.
Which you probably don't.
Well, some people might not who know who we
No.
are. If
This
you're
is
the
true.
first time people watching us. And yeah, we've just been on a little travel in the motorhome.
Which, you might notice,
It's a bit different.
is different. Again.
Okay. So yes, we have changed it. A couple of months ago now, isn't it?
No. Just picked it up.
No, we don't lie. No, we've had it a couple of months. And we've had a couple of trips in it. And
It's been busy.
it's been very busy. One thing or another. And
But we'll go into all that later.
it's another time. But hoping you've all had a good Christmas and a happy New Year. I've had the flu for Christmas and New Year, so that was quite nice. Not. So just getting over that really. So it's my first proper day out really. Today. So blow the cobwebs off and see what's in store for 2023.
Yes. Say thank you to all the viewers for sticking with us.
Yeah, sticking with Jez,
Subscribing.
especially.
Had a few new subscribers over the Christmas period.
We have,
That's
yes,
very
thank
nice.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And if you haven't subscribed, the only time of the year we'll say it, if you could subscribe
Yeah,
to all that YouTubey stuff,
Yeah.
like, subscribe, comment,
yeah.
etc., then
Yeah, please do.
be appreciated
Yes, it would.
and very nice too. How are we here?
I don't know,
I don't know how
because
we got here.
you don't know how we got here. It's because you drove us here, you idiot.
Well, Zach Mag took us here.
Yeah. So yeah, we just been and had a couple of little bits done with the new van.
A couple of little snacks.
A couple of little snags. More cosmetic snacks, wasn't it? Not mechanical or.
Yeah, a couple of the decals appeared.
Yeah, so
They
they
knew about it.
we knew about it, and
Had
they.
to wait for them to come in to get it done.
Yeah, so we just got those done. That's probably why we haven't said anything until we know that.
Yeah.
And it's
It's Bev's favourite.
it's my favourite one. I like it a lot. So
And
we
now,
stop it, please. Now, this one is, I suppose, it's a good combination of what we have actually been looking for. So, but we'll do a proper. Well, Jez will. A proper tour of it.
I'll get you to do it.
Oh, alright. Okay, I might do it. Because I've not done one of those yet. Oh, I've just cut him out now.
Out unusual then.
Oh, don't be silly. Anyway. Bye for now. Speak to you soon. Bye. Bye.